Earning money is everyone's dream, but is making money the true definition of wealth? Many people work day and night, yet they struggle financially. On the other hand, some people increase their wealth without putting in extra effort. Why does this happen? The answer lies in the difference in mindset. Since childhood, we are taught to study well, get a good job, and work hard for the rest of our lives. But is this the real definition of wealth? If jobs were everything, then the richest people in the world would be salaried employees. But the reality is entirely different. Wealth doesn't come just from earning more money. It comes from understanding and managing money wisely. The first thing you must understand to become wealthy is assets and liabilities. The biggest mistake most people make is that they spend their income on things that take money out of their pockets. These are liabilities. For example, buying a new car, purchasing an expensive phone, or spending thousands on branded clothes. These are liabilities because they drain money from you. On the other hand, wealthy people invest their money in things that generate more money for them, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. These are assets. Now imagine if your money could start making more money on its own. That is the real secret of wealth. An average person believes that earning more money means working harder. But wealthy people know that true wealth doesn't come from hard work alone. It comes from smart financial decisions. They invest their money in such a way that it starts working for them. They become the masters of money, and money becomes their servant. So, how do we learn all this? The first step is to focus on financial education. Schools teach us math, science, and history, but they never teach us how to earn, manage, and grow money. This is why most people spend their entire lives working for money, but never achieve financial freedom. If you want to change your financial situation, you must learn about money. You need to understand where your money is going. Are you just spending it, or are you investing it in places that will make more money for you? Another major difference in the mindset of wealthy people is their willingness to take risks. Poor and middle-class people fear money. They avoid risks and, as a result, miss big opportunities. On the other hand, wealthy people are not afraid to take risks. They take calculated risks with knowledge and wisdom. If you want to become rich, you need to change your mindset. You must shift from being a consumer to an investor. You need to understand that money is not just for spending. It is a tool for your freedom. If you don't want to work for money your entire life, then you must start making your money work for you today. The next time you think about making a purchase, ask yourself, will this item take money out of my pocket, or will it increase my wealth? If you make this question a habit in your life, you will slowly become financially strong. Remember, becoming rich is not about earning more. It's about making the right decisions. Your financial freedom depends not on how much you earn, but on whether you master the art of managing and growing money. Start educating yourself financially today. Invest wisely and change your mindset. Wealth is not built overnight, but if you keep moving in the right direction, the day is not far when money will work for you, and you will experience true financial freedom.